Hello my friends and welcome. I have a great tutorial for you today. In today's crafting adventure, I'm going to show you how to make a wreath with ribbon. This beautiful heart-shaped ribbon wreath is perfect for Valentine's Day. With just a few items from Dollar Tree, you can make this beautiful Valentine's Day wreath. This method of wreath making is perfect for the beginner. You don't need a lot of supplies and it's very easy to make. Let me show you how to make it. For today's project, you'll need one of the heart-shaped wire wreath forms that you can pick up from Dollar Tree. You're also going to need some ribbon. I've chosen to use some that I picked up from Dollar Tree. I have one roll of this beautiful red and white ribbon. I did pick this up from Dollar Tree, but this one I got last year. And then I have two rolls of this really pretty red and white check. Both of these also came from Dollar Tree and you can get this one this year. Cut your ribbon, all of it, into strips at 6 inches and dovetail their ends. This is what your pieces should look like. I have my ribbon cut. I'm ready to start attaching it to my wreath form. So I'm going to start on the outer ring and we're going to put the red and white check ribbon. So I just kind of fold it in half, find the center. And then you're going to feed it right around the outer ring. Just going to pull it down. Now on this one, I'm not going to do any scrunching. I'm just going to let the ribbon cover the base. And then to get that to stay, I'm just going to run a little bit of hot glue right there on the wire. Pull my ribbon back down. And then just keep adding until you get all the way around the wreath form. If you're enjoying today's content, make sure to subscribe, and when the notification bell pops up, if you hit that too, YouTube will let you know every time I upload new content. And I do upload new content to my channel every week. I have my first row done. I'm now working on my second row and I'm going to be using this one with the little red hearts on it. Now if you run into a place where there's a bar, there's an easy way to work around that. Just kind of lay your ribbon down, see where the bar is. Take a little snip. And on the underside, that's not going to show where that snip is, cut your ribbon all the way down like that, and then you can take those two pieces, slip them on either side of the bar, and then glue it down, and you won't even see that little cut. And then for the corner here, like I did down here, that piece I am going to scrunch. So just fold it in half. I pull the ends together and grab the center and then just kind of pull it down so it'll find where it wants to scrunch together. And then glue it down. I'm going to finish my second ring. I have my second ring completed and now I'm back on the center ring and I'm going over it again with the plaid. And I really like that. I think that looks very pretty. For your convenience, in the description box below is a detailed list of all the tools and materials used in today's project. This list will not only tell you how much you're going to need, it will also let you know where I purchased the materials. I have my inner row complete. And now I was looking at it and I need a little bit more definition. So here on the back row, I've decided to add a little bit of small ribbon. And this I picked up from Dollar Tree on my last trip, and I really like it. I love that it says love and it has the hearts. And I like the white background with that red trim. And I've just been cutting my pieces in little 3-inch pieces. Then I'm just lifting up and right in between the two ribbon. Add just a little bit of hot glue right where the bar is. And then place in my short ribbon so that it'll come up right in between the two. I really like that. I think that breaks up the background and adds quite a bit. So I'm going to do that all the way around on my first row. I have added all of my ribbon and I'm very happy. I really like the addition of the smaller ribbon. That really helped to break up that solid kind of red feeling I was getting. I also attached a jute cord here at the back so that I can hang my project. Now you want to attach that at the highest point of your heart on either side. That way you'll be able to get it to hang evenly for you. But I'm very pleased. I think that looks absolutely gorgeous. So it took 1 roll of the small ribbon, 2 rolls of the check ribbon, and 1 roll of the heart ribbon. So that is very inexpensive. Now there's one more thing I want to add to bring this to the next level. And that's this beautiful kind of glittered heart. Now this has the large pieces of glitter on there. And these fit perfectly right in the middle. And I really love that. It cleans up the center, it makes it pop out, and it really sets off the rest of the ribbon. So I'm going to get that attached using some Aleene's Original Tacky Glue and some hot glue. I have my heart attached and I'm very happy with that. Now here on the back, a lot of the back of the heart showed where I put the glue and stuff, and I don't like that. So I do have some leftover ribbon and I'm using that to cover up the back. So I just glued down 2 pieces here to cover this part. And then I've measured 2 pieces to kind of cover this part, like that on either side, and then I'll cut 1 more piece to cover that. And then you won't be able to see that. I'll know that my heart is fully attached and the back will look nice and clean. I have the back all covered up. I'm really happy with that. I think it looks much better. And look at that. Isn't that just stunning? Absolutely beautiful. What a budget-friendly craft. 6 items from Dollar Tree and you can make this beautiful heart-shaped Valentine's Day wreath. Thanks so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and show some love in the comments. This really does help support my channel. Take care of yourself, have a great day, and I will see you in the next video.